Today I'm gonna teach you how to make this beautiful scrunchie and this beautiful baby band, or you can say an ear warmer. And this is gonna be the most beautiful combo in winters. We are going to start how to make an ear warmer for a baby. We are gonna start by making a loop. You can also make a loop the way you want. We are going to make 75 chains in total. You can also increase or decrease the chains on the basis of size you want. Now we are done with the process of chain making. By following the process of stitch over stitch, we are going to do single crochet over each chain. In my previous videos, I have already told you how to do single crochet. So if you don't know how to do single crochet, go check my previous videos. And if you know how to do single crochet, you can also skip this part. This is how it turned out. The single crochet is the most simple and elegant stitch. You can make multiple things out of it. Single crochet is valid everywhere. So we are done with the second row. To start the third row, we are going to chain 1 and then repeat the process. Now comes the fourth row. We are going to chain 1 and start the fourth row. This is how the color red 4 rows turned out. Now we are going to attach the green color in it. To attach the green color, you have to stop on the last stitch. Insert the crochet one time, then yarn over, pull through. You're going to have 2 loops. Now these 2 loops are gonna help us to attach this green color. We are supposed to insert this green loop in the 2 loops of red one. Now slightly pull the red and green one. After that you are gonna start working on the green yarn. Now chain 1, then start the process as always. Now flip your whole project and start doing single crochet in each chain. Now we are done with the 3 rows of green. We are going to change the color just like we have done previously. Now we are also done with the 4 rows of red. I'm gonna speed up the process cause it's repeating now. We are done with our last stitch. Now I'm gonna cut the yarn from the end and pull the crochet out of it. Just slightly tight it after pulling the crochet out of it. Okay, now finally we are done with our band. Look how the red and green stripes are complementing each other. Now I'm going to tell you a trick how to secure these bad boys. You have to choose a pair out of them. Tightly knot them twice. The advantage of double knot is that you can cut them from the very end of the yarn. Now you can just simply put these little yarn corners inside the rows you have made before. Just like this. You have to do that on the both corners to give it a neat and presentable look. Now we are done with all the crochet work. We need any of the yarn you are working on and the needle to make that bow shape. Now insert the thread into the needle. After that I'm gonna tell you how to make that bow shape. Now you have to grab both ends of the band, then fold the both sides in the lying position. They should be opposite to each other. Just like that. I'm gonna do it one more time just for you. Again, grab the both ends. Then place the one corner slightly upside and the other slightly down. Now take the needle we have prepared before, insert that in the extreme corner of the bow we are working on. Now come to the end of the yarn, then tie a knot here. Sorry for the scissors. I was so panicked that my scissors stopped working. Now you just have to sew that as I'm working in the video. It is going to be a little bit hard, but it's okay. The results at the end are gonna be shocking. Just sew 2 times back and forth. To secure your project, we have to insert the needle in the bow. Then the loop we have made, insert the needle inside that. This is going to secure your project very much. Now you're going to do this several times until you are satisfied. Now you're going to put that leftover yarn inside the bow, just with the help of crochet. Now it's the moment of truth. Fold that the way I'm doing it. Here's the most beautiful band. This is perfect surprise for your baby girls or your baby sisters. Oh, look how cute the bow is looking. I made this for my little baby sister. I love her. After watching this video, you're also going to make one for your little baby sister. She deserves it. Now the second thing I'm gonna crochet is a scrunchie. We need a pony, a crochet hook and some scissors for this. For making a scrunchie, we are gonna make a slip knot for this. You can also follow my way of making a slip knot, or you can also use yours. Firstly, we are going to put that slip knot behind the pony, then make a chain out of it. Here comes my fave, single crochet. Now you just have to do single crochet until the whole pony is covered. You also have to stretch the pony several times to make it sure that it's fully covered. Now the pony is fully covered. Now you have to do the slip stitch with the first stitch you have made. Now you have to cover your pony with one more round of single crochets to make that more bigger. Here comes the most interesting part, the ruffles. I love making ruffles on everything, like my hat, scrunchie, my socks, my blanket, everything, literally. To make the ruffles, you're just gonna do a simple thing. Make single crochet 3 times in every chain you have. After making that, you're gonna have your beautiful wavy ruffles. Do you see that? The ruffles are popping out. Now to finish that, you're gonna slip stitch in the first stitch you have made before. Here comes the most exciting part, the borders. Again, we are going to do a slip stitch. Put that loop behind the scrunchie, then make a chain out of it. After that, just do single crochet in each chain you have. Now we are also done with the scrunchie. Look how beautiful the ruffles are looking. So this is the winter themed ear warmer, cap and the scrunchie. Look how beautiful these all turned out. So guys, this is it for today. See you in the next video and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for notification.